Every Forex trader knows that timing is everything. But what if I told you that mastering just 5 key chart patterns could drastically improve your ability to predict price movements? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding these patterns can be a game changer. Let's kick things off with a classic, the head and shoulders pattern. This formation is a strong indicator of a trend reversal. When you see a peak, followed by a higher peak, and then another lower peak, that's your signal. The neckline acts as the support, and once price breaks below it, it typically signals a bearish move. It's often seen after an extended uptrend, so spotting it early can help you avoid giving back your profits. And hey, if you're using something like the Apex trend indicator from FX Limit, it can confirm this shift with a change from blue to orange on the trend line, giving you that extra confidence before jumping in. Next up is the double top and double bottom patterns. Double top means the price failed to break a certain level twice. That's a strong resistance zone. When that level holds, it often signals the start of downtrend. On the flip side, a double bottom happens after a downtrend, where price fails to break a support zone twice. This hints at a bullish reversal. These are great because they're easy to spot, and when paired with signal confirmation tools, you can really increase your accuracy. Our third pattern is the triangle. And no, I'm not talking about geometry class. Triangles can be ascending, descending, or symmetrical. These are continuation patterns, meaning the breakout typically follows the direction of the prior trend. What makes triangles powerful is the way they tighten price action, building pressure before an explosive move. If you're watching a pair coil inside a triangle and suddenly the apex trend indicator flashes a signal with a 70% or higher success rate. That's your green light. Number 4, the flag and pennant patterns. These usually occur after a strong price move and look like mini consolidation phases. A flag is a small rectangle that slopes against the trend, while a pennant looks like a tiny triangle. These patterns often lead to a breakout in the same direction as the initial move. The key is volume. If volume picks up during the breakout, it's a good sign of continuation. And let's not forget how the Apex Trend Scanner can help you confirm that the breakout is backed by solid momentum. And finally, the wedge pattern. This one is all about squeezing price action. Falling wedges are typically bullish, while rising wedges are bearish. What makes wedges a bit tricky is that they can look like triangles, but the difference is in the slope of the lines. Falling wedges slope downward, and the breakout usually happens to the upside. When you spot one forming, check your trend indicator. If it turns from red to blue and you get a buy signal with a high win rate, that's your cue. Now here's the thing. Spotting patterns is one part of the equation. The other part is confirmation. That's where tools like the Apex Trend indicator come in. It doesn't repaint, which means you won't get those frustrating false signals. Plus, it shows arrows and lines directly on your chart to mark trend changes. Combine that with mobile alerts, a success rate dashboard, and trade statistics, and you've got a serious edge. So next time you're analyzing your chart, keep an eye out for these patterns. They've stood the test of time and continue to be reliable signals for traders around the world. But remember, no pattern is perfect. That's why it's smart to combine them with confirmation tools that give you an extra layer of certainty before you enter a trade. And if you're ready to take your pattern trading to the next level, the Apex Trend Indicator from FX Limit could be the missing piece in your trading toolkit. It's easy to set up, works on all major instruments, and supports multiple time frames. Whether you're scalping the M5 or swinging on the H4, it's built to adapt to your style. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies from FX Limit. See you in the next one.